Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
Onye aghọgburu ka agbarụ. Onye aghọgburu ka agbarụ. Like these people who is trying to celebrate disunity in Biafran struggle. I will not make you popular. You are trying to celebrate disunity. Do you go back and check Mazen Nnamdi Kanu program? Do you think his program is what he can do alone? This program is not what he can do alone. He need me and you. But you who is calling us fool, when we go back to 555 vision, we will bring you all we have done, starting from 2012 till this very minute. We will go back to repeat all our videos and all our prophecies, all our predictions, things that will come and when it will come. So, as you are watching, people are celebrating Onye Aghọgburu ka agbarụ. Are you trying to tell me that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's wife doesn't know all that is happening? Why did she keep quiet for the first time? This is a game. Nnamdi Kanu is master of all game. I have come to my personal platform to speak my mind. Nnamdi Kanu is master of all game. When they say that Jesus Christ will return again like a criminal, then I am the person who received the vision that Biafra will have their own Bible in 2017. When I made mention of Biafran Bible, that Biafra will have their own Bible, some people begin to call me fool and the Mugu. Later, I said, Nnamdi Kanu, Jesus of our time. Nigerian Christians begin to debunk on me. I said, even pastors will begin to preach Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. All is on video because of people who is calling us Mugu. We came to serve Biafra with a 555 vision. Go and ask Ipob. Go and ask Adeboye. Go and ask Chris Ayekinome. Go and ask all those people who is robbing your money in the church. They don't work with the 555 vision. We came purified to restore Biafra. And as you are listening, go back to 555 Vision YouTube, subscribe, because we are going to launch 555 Vision. We've been working on it for more than 5 years now because of this particular moment we are into today. And for this reason, we have just come to enlighten people. Those of you who is celebrating that Uchechi Kanu have spoken against Autopilot, Nnamdi Kanu is the founder of Autopilot. Nnamdi Kanu cannot deny himself. Before you call Simon Ekpa criminal, before you reject Autopilot, try to go and meditate. Remove whatever you call sentiment, human sentiment. Forget about you. Forget about any other person. Think on your own. When you think on your own, then you ask the possibilities of destroying Nigeria. If this is what one person can do, one person cannot destroy Nigeria. The collapse of Nigeria is in Autopilot. Autopilot simply means one who came out doing what he thinks is right to do. But what we can understand from those people serving under political solution is they are afraid that Simon Ekpa has come to take over from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They said he want to eat where he didn't sow. But go back to my video where I send the interview between Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. What Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told Simon Ekpa there, for people who is calling us fools. What he told him there, he said, it doesn't matter who bring Biafra. What matters is Biafran freedom. And when Biafra come, every one of us will come and celebrate. That is what matters. It's not all about leadership. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu knew about he know the capacity of stupidity in IGBO, Igbo people, the most greediest people on this planet Earth. That's why he devoted himself fighting to liberate us. The last video he did, he said he is inside DSA dungeon because of those people, you people under political solution has tagged to eliminate. Jesus Christ came for the sinners. He came to save the sinners, not those people who think that they are righteous. The people who think that they are righteous are the people who believe in command and control, political solution, and the amnesty. But the people who are the sinners are the people who said, what have Simon Ekpa done to install sit at home? You who is working against Simon Ekpa, let me just ask you a question. Sit at home, which is the key to restore Biafra, which people install sit at home? Is it not Autopilot? Which people are opening secret documents holding Biafra? Are they not Autopilot? Are you telling me that the woman, Uchechi Kanu, are you telling me that Uchechi Kanu is not watching, knowing that Simon Ekpa is digging the same history which Nnamdi Kanu dug when he was teaching us what to do at this particular point in time? Are you telling me that she is not watching? But Onya Goburu, Kaabaro, I am not hiding my face. I am telling you what I know, because we came to serve Biafra with the 555 visions. Until Biafra is restored. Ezi anyozi and yezi ende nondo. Because on the nondo, natural freedom. We give you freedom, free of charge. Are you getting it? This is what we are doing. Nnamdi Kanu have watched you people. He said, whenever Biafra comes, he is not even interested to become president. That he will go inside one village and build a small house where he will live, and surround that place with crocodile. That is what he said. Because he knew that the reason Ohaneze Ndigbo refused to join him, the reason Eastern governors refused to join him to restore Biafra, is because they are well concentrated on leadership. But what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu need is freedom of Africans, freedom of black people all over the universe. That's why he said he is not even interested to become Biafran president. It is us that will impose president on him. So you who is celebrating that Uchechi Kanu has come and speak against Autopilot, Jugodo Omagajojo, ask yourself one simple question. Without sit at home, do you think Nigerian government will change the date of Nnamdi Kanu court case and bring it down again until 13th of this month? Without sit at home. Without sit at home, which Simon Ekpa stood his ground. Me and you who suck your mother's breast, me and you knows that your mother carried you 9 months as pregnant. We know that the DOS cancelled sit at home, and Simon Ekpa installed it back. And there is nothing more pushing Biafran struggle than that Monday sit at home. Who cancelled it? DOS. Under political solution. When we come here and tell them this thing will land you in amnesty, they put our list, our names in the list of dead warrant people to assassinate us because we have come to speak the truth. Before you impose law, try to analyze the law you are imposing on people. Before you sign political solution, have you gone down inside that book, inside all the folio? If they think that Uchechi Kanu is supporting them, why they don't ask her the importance of sit at home? Then Uchechi Kanu will then tell them that sit at home is yielding fruit or not yielding fruit. If they think that Uchechi Kanu is supporting them, why they don't ask her what she think about the political solution which they accepted early in the morning, immediately after the rendition of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? They signed political solution, and the Soludo told them, what you have to do now is command and control anybody under the leadership of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. This is simple truth. This is simple truth. We have come here to tell you people how we see it, how it is, and how we stand. Because you people who is telling us that we don't know what we are doing, copy this area now and send it to them. When Nnamdi Kanu was given award, he started giving award since 2016. When he immediately came out from he escaped death under Python dance. He appeared in Israel. He began to give award. We are the people who stood our ground, defending him the way we are defending Simon Ekpa today. When you people who is standing against Simon Ekpa, we are attacking Nnamdi Kanu. That's why we have to go back to 555 Vision YouTube Then we can show you people what we have done. When we were doing all this thing, Nnamdi Kanu has been sending award to those people who is working. Paul Onwubiko, I have received more than 10 awards from Nnamdi Kanu in this journey, because we are working with the 555 vision to tell you people what will come and how it's going to be. When I told them, stop attacking Simon Ekpa, don't divert your war against Simon Ekpa, let us focus and put our eyes on the ball, which is to dismantle Nigeria. They said, why should we talk? It's like Nnamdi Kanu, it's like Simon Ekpa has paid me. I say, oh, now I am now understanding the reason why you people is pushing accusing finger on Simon Ekpa, because before I do anything to defend anybody, I will put that person in my shoe. When I see where the shoe is paining me, then I will be able to know the allegation laying against that person. I say, here in this meeting, I am telling you, stop fighting Simon Ekpa, let's work together. You said Simon now is paying me to support him. This is exactly how you claim that Nigerian government is paying Simon. Since I know that Simon have not sent one kobo to me, it means that Nigerian government have not paid anything to Simon Ekpa. And the reason why I came up with the 555 vision is, in Bible, Jesus Christ, when he teach his followers how to heal the sick and how to raise the dead, when they learned it, Jesus Christ called them. He said, I have seen that you people have learned this magic, how to raise the dead and how to heal the sick. But what you cannot forget is where you learn this strategy. That is why everybody is still under the leadership of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, because he has opened our eyes. And I came on this my program, I said that Nnamdi Kanu is the Jesus of our time. You people don't know how we create all this world. We went for purification. We purified ourselves before we come to serve Biafra. In 2019, me and the Master Prophet has a meeting. Why did the Master Prophet miss the track? Master Prophet said in that meeting which we gathered, he said we don't have right to mention the name of Jesus Christ. And that is when Master Prophet drove away everybody that will give him advice in this critical time. And today, me and you have seen that Master Prophet has forced his hand. Master Prophet, when he was forming the group, trying to become Biafran spiritual leader, the awakened one of Biafra, he consulted me. I gave him 555 vision. This is what I have to support this struggle. Why did I leave him? He said, I have no right to mention the name of Jesus Christ. I said, this is where you miss it. Ask Master Prophet, copy this area and send to him. Did he know about Paul Onwubiko when we formed Obindi Igbo? That is when he removed everybody that will give him advice. And this is how Master Prophet lose that title he has been fighting for. And today, you see, Master Prophet cannot even be able to maintain his allegation against Simon Ekpa anymore. He has been crippled. He has been crippled. Those people who is attacking, when you attack us, we will bring one vision to demolize it. This is 555 vision. You cannot do anything to us. We are working with 555 vision. You can't do anything to us. Emmanuel Nwankwo, you come again. And you have seen that your father and your mother is sitting at home every day. Let me tell you, Emmanuel Nwankwo, you have come again. I tell you, I will not block you until I will use you to set up a trap. Using Mazen Nnamdi Kanu picture as his follower. But you don't understand nothing. Only believe you don't understand nothing in this struggle. That is what you people don't know. Because you don't get it. Uchechi Kanu is pulling you people's leg. She is pulling you people's leg. And you people are falling to the trap. Before Nnamdi Kanu will stand against Simon Ekpa, it's just like for him, the possibility of it is like Nnamdi Kanu removing the bones inside his body. The possibility is 0.00.01% for Nnamdi Kanu to stand against himself. Don't you go back and use your memory? Go back and watch the program which Simon Ekpa did with Nnamdi Kanu. Simon Ekpa said, you cannot distract us. And he has not been distracted since that time till this very minute. He has not been distracted since after Ekweremadu beat up Simon Ekpa left the Nigerian government and they begin to work for Biafra under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Since that day, he has not lost focus. He is still marching forward. He is still looking under the ball and how to destroy Nigeria. Emmanuel Nwankwo, can you bring one document holding you answering Nwankwo? Nkwo ajana. Emmanuel Nwankwo, ajala bukwege. Emmanuel Nwankwo, Nkwo ba ajala. Ajala buwoge, because you are not a human being. You are imbecile. Are you getting it? And I don't want to even divert my message to you because you are a heavy distractor. How are you telling me that your father and your mother is sitting at home? Nigerian government is writing about Simon Ekpa, and you are telling me he is not doing anything. Have you ever seen Nigerian government change the date of court for one day? They change it and they bring it down on for the 13th. It is because of Simon Ekpa and Autopilot. It's not because of DOS under political solution. Soludo did not change the date. Hope Uzodinma did not change the date. Peter Obi did not change the date. Eastern governors did not change the date. Ohaneze Ndigbo did not change the date. What made them change the date? It is because of Autopilot. And then Nnamdi Kanu is the real founder of Autopilot. And through Autopilot, we destroy Nigeria. This is what we are doing. Giving you this message is Autopilot. Emmanuel Nwankwo, if you are man enough, you carry brokers like I do, make a video, then you will know what it means to stand in front of the world. Are you getting it? I have not come to make a long video. I have just come to inform every one of us. Go and subscribe. YouTube 555 Vision, because we are now doing what they call balance and the checkup. Biafran liberation is here. Mana onye obuna yekwu ihe oruru. I saved all I did in 555 Vision, and we are now coming up to repeat what we have done since those years. Emmanuel Nwankwo, you have nothing to show. After the rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what DOS did is only to repeat the program of Simon Ekpa, the one who is doing something. And from there, they uplifted him. Now, fear has entered them. Fear has entered them. And that is why you will subscribe for this great revelation from 555 Vision. Thank you.